Alrighty, Thursday, July 25th, 2024. And I am a sloppy Jason Shapiro today. Let's see if we can make some sense of this today. So there's a few things I would say. We're all looking to catch the rebound, right? We're all looking to catch the low of this move down, because we have learned over the last year and a half or so that doing so is a great thing to do and a great strategy in a bull market. While I do think it's still a bull market, or I don't think that was the top, at least I don't conclude that yet. Catching that turn is going to be very tough, because now that we know that, everybody knows that, and everybody's going to try and do it. So there were some signs today that this rebound that happened right at 10 a.m. low, big rebound, and then failure, was not a great one. And I think these are great lessons. First of all, the Nasdaq never led. As everybody knows, I'm a big believer that Nasdaq needs to lead for the bull market to be healthy, for a bull move to be healthy. Never led today. All right. Also, as one of our esteemed members pointed out, while that rally was going on, too early in the day. Most of the time, when you get this type of rally, when you're looking for a V rally back and a rebound, it should be late in the day, not early in the day. It's not going to give everyone the chance. So they come in and they start buying here and they're like, oh yeah, here it is, here it is, here it is. It's too early. Now they're all stuck in it and they all got to get out, right? What you want is the market to sort of like be on lows at like 230. Have the Nasdaq start to lead around then. And then you can get a rally into the end of the day, and that doesn't give people a chance to get long. That's what you want. You know, this market is not going to give gifts. It's going to make it hard. Too easy when it happens that early. So I would say that. Clearly, the idea of getting out of Nasdaq and into Russell is still going on. I don't know how long that's going to go on for. It could continue for a while. But you know what? When it ends, there's going to be a vacuum in the Nasdaq. Once they're done selling the Nasdaq that they need to sell and buying the Russell that they need to buy, there will be a vacuum in the Nasdaq. Is that in a week, in a day, or in 2 months? That I don't know, but we just have to keep watching the tape to determine that. There was chances here today of big reversals in a lot of different things. The yen, the VIX, the Nasdaq earlier in the day, obviously, and even the yen, right? But in the end, it didn't happen, right? So we just had another real kind of bearish day, right? I mean, yen did come off a lot, clearly, but the Swiss, which also came off, but was still good. Canada tried to rebound as well, failed, right? And the pound really just traded like crap all day. So good on the people that are short the pound, trading at close on the low. And of course the metals got bashed, right? Gold got bashed, silver got bashed. Copper closed up a little bit, but so now that we say, oh, that's it for copper because it doesn't go down every single day. No. And I got news for you. There will be days, even if the stock market's going to keep going down, there will be up days, right? That doesn't mean that the bottom's in. You get a piece of good news, the market goes up. Doesn't necessarily mean the bottom's in, Just like all the other times, you're going to want this thing to bottom on bad news. And you're going to want the bottom at a time when people can't catch it. The market's not going to give this gift. Like, oh, here it is. That's the bottom. That's the end of this pullback. Buy now, load up. It's just not going to do that. It doesn't do that, right? This game is too hard. It doesn't give gifts like that. So patience is the key here. This could be a while, I still think that it could be until the rate cut happens in September, if that's happening. Clearly, if that is right, there will be up days between now and then. Even if we're on lows in September, there will be up days between now and then. And this is the thing about shorting as well. It's very difficult to short because you get these squeezes. Even the one intraday today was a monster, right? How did you stay short into that? 450 point Nasdaq rally in your face, you're staying short. Good luck, very hard to play short is the point there. But anyway, I think that's the idea for today. Patience. I like to say the best trade I made today was a no trade. Okay. And today that certainly held. Okay, so that's my thoughts. Tomorrow we're going to get COT, so we'll get a little bit better look at what the hell is going on out there. And until then, I wish everyone the best.